I received this food planner and nutritional journal from PLANBERRY, and it is so nice. It comes inside this box, which is perfect for gift giving. And it also comes with this user manual as well, so you know how to take measurements and how to fill out the book. It also comes with these fun stickers, and I'm going to show you a close-up of these as well. And here is the book. And the book comes in a variety of different styles. This one is in pineapple. How fun is that? Let me show you a close-up of the food journal. So this is a hardcover journal, and it also has these rings, and it's in a pretty rose gold color as well. And you can put your name in it in the front. And right here is your starting point. So you put your measurements here. You can even take a photo and paste it on here, and you can write down all your measurements and what your goals are. And this is for a 4-month goal. And then here is your month, and you can fill it in just like that. And it does that for a few months. So after that, then you come to this page where it's your weekly exercise plan and also your weekly meal plan, and you can have a shopping list here as well. And here is your daily data. And this is where you're going to track all your food intake for the day and also what your main goals are. At the back of the book, it's going to have weekly notations that you could put, and also tracks your measurements, some more blank pages, and there's also a pocket here so you can put some items inside, say a meal planner or some photos to track your progress. And here are your motivational stickers. You're going to receive 3 sheets, and they're all different. Look how nice that is. You got this, dream it, wish it, do it. So lots of motivational stickers to motivate you along the way in your book. And here's the second sheet of motivational stickers. Has stickers for pounds lost. If you have a really high heart rate one day, you can put that in if you've exercised, and some more fun stickers. And here is the third sheet of stickers, and it has a lot of different emojis, and you can just have fun decorating your food journal throughout the days and weeks. Isn't this such a nice set? So motivational. And you can purchase it for yourself or for a friend, as well as maybe both of you can do it so you can motivate each other. So definitely recommend it. And thank you, PLANBERRY, for sending this to me. And hope you found this video helpful, everybody. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.